Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Baseball. To begin, hold your Wii remote like a baseball bat, ensuring a firm grip. Always use the wrist strap for safety. It prevents accidental drops during enthusiastic swings. Navigate to the Wii Sports menu and select the baseball option. You will then choose your Mii character and your preferred team. This setup takes only a few moments, getting you ready for the first pitch. When batting, the key is timing your swing. Hold the Wii remote horizontally and swing it forward as the ball approaches the plate. A perfectly timed swing, just as the ball reaches the strike zone, will send it flying. Swinging too early or too late will likely result in a foul tip or a miss. Practice different swing speeds and angles to hit ground balls, line drives, or towering fly balls for maximum impact. For pitching, hold the Wii remote vertically, pointing it towards the screen. Use the directional pad to select your pitch type, choosing from a fastball, curveball, or screwball. Mimic a throwing motion with your arm, swinging forward. Release the A button at the peak of your forward swing to throw the ball. The speed and angle of your arm motion influence the pitch's velocity and break, aiming for the strike zone. Fielding in Wii Baseball is largely automatic, with your Mii characters moving to catch or retrieve the ball. Your primary control comes after a hit, when you manage base runners. Use the directional pad to select a runner, then press the A button to advance them to the next base. If you need a runner to retreat, press the B button. Strategic base running can turn singles into doubles, maximizing your scoring opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.